What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to talk to you about a new option in tricking clothing. You see, on my website, howtomastertricking.com, I try to provide the highest quality in athletic training attire. The Mastering Tricking shirts are something I want to wear every day when I train. The base athletic tee is breathable, durable, stretchy, and it moves with your body. The printing on the shirt is a high quality, durable, final heat transfer printing that will last forever. I love these shirts, but with all that quality came a cost. Each tee starts at $40, and that is a lot of money to a lot of people. So I wanted to create an inexpensive, cheap option. So I created the Mastering Tricking store on Teespring. On that store, you're able to create a ton of products for your community. And that's what I did for you guys. This is minimalistic, inexpensive, nice gear that you can wear to represent tricking and also to support mastering tricking. You see, I love creating high quality athletic attire, but there's a ton of products that I don't need to personally create, like wall tapestries or mugs. If you want to get a Mastering Tricking mug, you now can on the Teespring store. I'll leave a link in the description down below. If you guys order soon, you'll be able to get it in time for Christmas. This is the perfect gift for the tricker in your life. So guys, please consider and check out the description, and please buy something. Your support is what helps Mastering Tricking grow, and it means the world to me. So guys, check it out, and please have a lovely day.